4959. Tailplane icing can be detected by A. A slow and steady decrease in altitude. B. Flaps failing to operate. C. A sudden change in elevator force or uncommanded nose-down pitch. The correct answer is C. Tailplane icing can be detected by a sudden change in elevator force or an uncommanded nose-down pitch. Therefore, when an aircraft's tailplane, horizontal stabilizer, becomes contaminated with ice, it can disrupt the airflow over the tail surfaces and affect the aircraft's stability and control. This can result in a sudden change in elevator force or an uncommanded nose-down pitch, making it difficult to maintain the desired pitch attitude. 4960. If tailplane icing or a tailplane stall is detected, the pilot should A. Lower the flaps to decrease airspeed. B. Decrease power to VFE. C. Retract flaps and increase power. The correct answer is C. If tailplane icing or a tailplane stall is detected, the pilot should retract flaps and increase power. Tailplane icing or a tailplane stall can severely impact the aircraft's stability and control. Taking appropriate actions is crucial to regain control and prevent further deterioration of the situation. 4971. Which is true with regards to icing? A. Heavy icing on the leading edge is not as bad as light icing on the upper surface. B. Smooth ice on the upper surface will cause minimal, if any, problems. C. Light icing is worse than heavy icing. The correct answer is A. Ice on the driving edge can be expelled utilizing de-icing frameworks. Ice on the upper surface is more unsafe since it is more troublesome to evacuate. 4972. What is the most likely vibrations after extending the reason for buffeting or flaps during or exiting icing conditions? A. Incipient tailplane stall. B. Aerodynamic stall due to attack. Increased angle of. C. Aerodynamic instability due to ice accumulation forward of the ailerons. The correct answer is A. The most likely reason for buffeting or vibrations after extending the flaps during or exiting icing conditions is an incipient tailplane stall. Therefore, option A is the correct choice. When an aircraft is in icing conditions or has recently exited such conditions, ice accumulation on the tailplane, horizontal stabilizer, can disrupt the airflow and increase the risk of a tailplane stall. The tailplane stall refers to a loss of lift or an aerodynamic stall specifically affecting the tailplane. 4973. The best technique for using de-icing boots is to A. Allow ice to build first to reduce likelihood of ice bridging. B. Use them immediately upon visual detection of any ice. C. Cycle several times after exiting to obtain a clean wing. The correct answer is B. The FAA recommends de-icing systems be activated at the first indication of icing.